sa umaga ng March 11, nalaman ninyo yung Interpol. Pagkatapos ito, na-charter sa ilang oras lamang. Ando na ba yung eroplano nung nandun kayo sa Villamor, General Torre? Kasi abala kayo na isakay si Presidente Duterte. Nag-aabang na ba yung eroplano? Anong oras siya nandun? Kasi nagmamadali kayo para isakay na, di ba?
I really don't know about the plane, ma'am. I only saw it around after mga mid-afternoon. Na tinuro sa akin, hindi ko pa nga sigurado, ma'am, kung yun nga aeroplano ang gagamitin.
So, bale, alas 3 ng umaga, na-procure na lahat ito. Kasi ang haba ng proseso natin, ilang araw, ilang buwan yan. I don't know what mode of procurement, pero sinabi, chinarter. Ang bilis naman, di ba? Ilang oras lang, sa hapon nandun na. Kaya nakakapagtaka. At as mentioned by Secretary Remulla, the security arrangements for the President are very, very stringent and have to be vetted time and time again, repeatedly. So the question still remains. The government clearly knows who owns the plane, and it's unclear how much they paid, what procurement process they determined, and who are the shareholders of said companies.
Mr. Senator, ma'am, these have national security implications. I'd rather not talk about it.